Pinecone decorations, Dollar Tree crafting, and for mindfulness and healthy living. Welcome, creative friends. Today we are diving into one of nature's most charming gifts, more artistic gifts, the pinecone. We will explore we will explore how to turn simple pine cones and Dollar Tree items into beautiful, affordable home decoration that brings peace, mindfulness, and the sense of natural health into your space. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin the soothing crafting journey together. Pine cones are nature's tiny sculpture, each one unique, beautifully layered, and full of rustic charm. They symbolize renewal, growth, and natural beauty. Used for centuries in home decor, Pinecone carries the warm feeling of autumn and the cozy spirit of Xmas. What makes them special is that they are completely natural and free. You can collect them from your garden, a park, or forest walks. And with just a few dollars, tree supplies, glue, paint, ribbons, or jars, you can turn them into elegant pieces of art. Benefits of pinecone. Let's talk about the benefits of pinecone, not just for your home, but for your mind and body too. When you paint or decorate a pinecone, you focus fully on its tiny details, each scale, each curve. This focus slows your thoughts, quiet your mind, and brings you into the present moment. It is mindful activity like meditation through creativity, eco-friendly crafting using pinecone and Dollar Tree items, means less waste and more sustainability. You are using nature gifts instead of plastic decor. A small step toward a greener planet. Crafting lowers stress levels, improves mood, and keeps your hand and brain active. It gives you a gentle sense of accomplishment, something that supports emotional health. Affordable and accessible. From Dollar Tree, you can find everything ribbons, glass jars, dewdrops, lights, or paint at a very small cost. That means you can decorate your entire home without spending much. Now let's get creative with some beautiful and easy pinecones craft ideas using tree materials. Pinecone, candle holder, take a glass, candle holder or mason jars from Dollar Tree. Glue pinecone around the base, add small ribbons, and place a warm LED candle inside. When it lights up, it gives a golden, cozy glow, perfect for calm evening or meditation time. Use a wooden stick, dewdrop, and a few pine cones. Take a pine cones with rope or add different lights, different length, and hang them in a row. Add little beads, ribbons, or fairy lights. This hanging decor brings a peaceful, earthy touch to your room or balcony. Paint the pine cones white, gold, or red using Dollar Tree acrylic paint. Add small bells, glitter, or bows on top. And tie a loop or ribbon. You can hang them in your Xmas tree or use them in wreath. Take a Dollar Tree tray. Pinecone table centerpiece. Take a Dollar Tree tray, place a few pine cones, candles, or some fake snow or small LED lights. This simple setup creates a warm, mindful vibe for dinner or meditation spaces. Pinecone white wind chime. Attach pinecone to long strings, decorate them with beads and smell shells. Hang them by your window. The soft sounds to breathe through pinecones feels magical and calming. Pinecone and jute basket. Use a small Dollar Tree basket, wrap it with jute rope, and fill it with pine cones. Add cinnamon sticks and dried oranges. slices for a natural fragrance. This makes your home smell fresh and soothing. As you work with pine cones, notice their texture, rough yet elegant, earthy yet beautiful. The act of holding and decorating them connect you deeply with nature. Take slow breath as you glue, paint, or tie ribbons. Each motion brings peace. You can even play soft music, light a candle, and enjoy this process as a mindful therapy session. Crafting like this helps to reduce anxiety, lift your mood, and fill your space with handmade warmth. It's not just decoration, it's healing through art. And that's the magic of Pinecone decorations, simple, affordable, natural, and yet full of creativity, beauty, and mindfulness. In just a few $3 supplies, you can make something amazing that fill your home with calm. Every energy and joy. Every Pinecone piece you create carries your heart, your practice, love, and care. So keep crafting